Me nah worry about none of them. Me nah worry about none of them. Whoa.
Blessings, everyone. Welcome to Mr. and Mrs. Gold's YouTube channel, M&MG. I'm Mrs. Gold. I would like to thank you all for those people who help us reach our 100 subscriber goal. Now we're going to be giving away a tote bag or a t-shirt on February 14th, so mark the date. We'll be announcing the winners. And then what I would like you all to do is subscribe to the channel if you have not already. Thank you if you have. And hit the notification bell so that you can know what to do for the next competition. We will be giving away money when we hit 200 subscribers. We want to say a special big up to DMR News, who's been continually sharing our videos. We appreciate it. A big up to many of you that share our videos on Facebook and other social media that we might not be aware of, and some of them we have. Big up Trini out in Cleveland. She's the dancehall queen named Trini, and she's promoted our channel. Big up to her, and big up to all these people who continue to leave comments in our comment section. We thank you very much. YouTube will help us be recognized among many people once they see that we have likes and comments and shares on our video. Just for those who don't know, big up to India, our #1 country who's watching us. Big up to the US, and then comes Canada. We love all of the countries that support us. So anyhow, sit back, enjoy this video that you're about to watch. Blessings and thanks again. So, in this video, you're going to see highlights from June 2018 of me, Mrs. Gold, at Spice and Popcaan's concert here in Toronto. The dancehall is the child of reggae. So, in honor of Reggae Month, I am showing concerts that I've been to, some highlights. So, I hope you enjoy, and I hope you learn a little something and enjoy the music. Bless. Warning. Some viewers may find the following content highly disturbing and controversial. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Cartel gone to prison and them sell out the boss. And here's the cartel spend couple million per ton Tavares spin some. And some big top liar. But you see if cartel they never link me and couldn't go to prison. Cartel have me number and should just take up in phone and call me and say, yo Spice, deal with the case. The case would have to get dashed out and put out. Check the rhythm. Low. Bounce it low. Come on, the people, let me hear what I say. They can't be that big, yeah. Come on, girl, put your body round. Put the feel like turn on. Make sure you know if you walk out of the chat, yeah. See? When you want to rub it hard, the cocky of it. Damaging this pipe, not because the pussy. Give it to them alright, send it up in a bit. Titty appetite, every little get a bite. Me man have to go see me and him have to go.
Why are you talking like this? It's like a stuff like this.
Deal with your breast like it, cause she like it.
Like this.
You are my mister,
You are mine.
deal with it, who's
You love
like
it,
yeah, man. Drop it. Next track. Are you ready again? Are you ready again? Sing it like you know it. You ever fuck a Jamaican girl before? Yeah. He said yes. All I want you to do is show me how you get on when you're on the sheet. Roll on the sheet.
I know you like the way I wind between the sheets.
Baby, come over, let me scream and go to sheet. Stop me when I get it on the sheet. Wait on the back, bum, bum, all I need. We have a big belly under the sheet. I fight up in the balance, get on the sheet. In my life, let me smell Hold on. Listen, dream. Dreams will come true when I left you up here. Take the things and wait for me back this time. When the gully fans them there, they got the gully man them. But Matt, stay over there so me upgrade you. Right there, don't move. Wait on me, baby. Don't leave. Something about Matt, me like Matt. What the gully fans them there? You're not talking about I love you! Look! I want to hear my fans! Take fire!
Yeah, you are cheating now.
Don't tell nobody come, man. Me know you're gonna love us to fuck for me, give you. Me run out. Jump the back fence, come in here, man. Me have to make a fly like the bird and the bee. Pick it up, look how me back it up, me cock it up, me rock it up, look how me touch and roll up, feel it up like it's a rocket, and make your cocky and it up like a balloon. Here in the street, but me a bitch in the why you up, me money, them a army. Me money, Panny side, catch panny side, catch panny, catch panny, catch panny. I'm the panny and the catch panny. Catch panny, catch panny. And I'm gonna look for me when I sit down. Well, this is gonna be my last song for tonight. Spice Official is my name. Toronto, Canada, I love you. Now I'm gonna leave you with my last song. I'm gonna bring it old school. I'm bringing it to my fans who know me from day one. Everybody
All who make friend push up one bump clap and fuck. Who ready? Go on, sir. You who there for now? We know where my pussy from. Coming out of the head. So that. Who is the? Sure. Hold on, friend, hold on. Hold on. Let's turn the channel level down and come. The more them tell we are, what them do is jump in the attention, everyone. So big up all the bump and man from Shaka Jamaica. Everybody want to go and jump. Baby, how you stand? Baby, how you stand? How you stand? Level. That's the even though I'm not. I'm gonna breathe when I'm gonna see
Notification bell to be updated with new videos. Share and like. Thanks.